how to fix or how to solve Instagram not sending SMS code. So this video is gonna help you a lot to fix this problem. First thing, open settings, open the apps, go to the Instagram app. Now this is the app info on your phone. All what you wanna do on this page is very simple. Click on the notifications management and then scroll down and make sure that every single notification is enabled, and then go down, click on more settings right here and go to the pause all, choose 15 minutes, go back again. Now last thing you want to do is click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. And that's it guys, now the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, thank you for watching.